Hop into the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. This uniquely designed Hyundai Ioniq 5 is poised to transport you into a clean, bright future. Enter its stylish, spacious interior and discover the comfortable, convenient, and connected features it has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat. Feel the optimism that flows through this future-ready Ioniq 5. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.